Are your business expenses piling up? Do you feel like you're constantly spending without seeing the growth you want? Well, today, we're going to fix that. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to control your business expenses like a pro and stop wasting money on things that don't add value to your business. And don't forget, after you watch, be sure to check out the description below. I've included valuable resources and tools that'll help you continue this journey towards smarter spending and a more profitable business. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, let's find those hidden costs. It's common for small charges to slip under the radar, like in used subscriptions or unnecessary office supplies. Take a look at your financial statements and look for recurring charges you may not even remember signing up for. Next, let's categorize expenses into three main types: fixed, variable, and discretionary. Fixed expenses are the essentials you need to operate, like rent and utilities. Variable expenses can fluctuate, like advertising costs, while discretionary spending includes things that may not be necessary for core business functions. Once you know what you're spending on, set up a budget that reflects your priorities. You can use tools like QuickBooks or even a simple spreadsheet to track your spending and ensure it aligns with your goals. Monitoring expenses regularly lets you catch and correct issues before they escalate. It's time to cut down on unnecessary costs. Review expenses in categories like supplies and vendors to see where you can negotiate or find alternatives. For example, switching suppliers could save you money without sacrificing quality. And there you have it, simple, effective ways to take control of your business expenses and stop wasting money. By identifying hidden costs, setting up a budget, and cutting unnecessary expenses, you're well on your way to a healthier, more profitable business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on building a stronger financial foundation. And before you go, make sure to check out the description below. I've included some valuable resources and tools to help you continue this journey and maximize your business potential. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.